I'm going to show you the Tribit MaxBOOM, a portable Bluetooth speaker that really packs a punch. What is going on? This is Joan with Sharpe Tech, and I'm back again with another cutting edge review. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. I also want to give another special shout out to El Jefe Reviews for sending me this speaker. Now, let's get it out of the box and see how it works. Okay, this is the box. We got the MaxBOOM branding on the front, picture of the speaker, QR codes for the website and Facebook, specs on the back. Briefly, the speaker is waterproof. It's got an extra bass button. You can talk on your cell phone with it. It's got a speakerphone function, long battery life, and superior sound. So in the box, we got the speaker, we got a USB charging cable, USB-C, we've got the manual, and a couple of other knickknacks. Now, let's take a look at the speaker. Tribit has recently renamed their speaker the StormBox. It boasts a bold 360-degree sound, an IPX7 waterproof rating, 20 hours of playtime, and a 24-watt driver. Whether you place this speaker on a table or in the crowd, all listeners get the same experience. You can also enjoy the same song with wireless party chain. You can wirelessly connect two Tribit 360-degree sound waterproof Bluetooth speakers together to enjoy amplified sound. So, on the front side, you've got your volume rockers. You can play or pause, answer a call, or skip tracks with this button. On the back side, you've got your power button, Bluetooth button, extra bass button, and a hard to get into area for your auxiliary input as well as your charging input. This mesh on the outside feels good and durable. The bottom and top are reinforced with rubber. This handle is also made of rubber. You've got two subs on each end, and they move. Let's get it connected and we'll see how it sounds. That means we're connected. One other thing I'll let you know is this speaker is completely waterproof. You can take it to the beach, to the pool. If it falls in, it's going to float. I didn't do that test, but I'm pretty positive that it floats. For copyright reasons, I'm going to play a song called Pretty from Epidemic Sound. Check it out. I'm going to start at half volume.
For the record.
right, let's turn it up all the way.
For the record.
Well, there you have it, folks. This little bitty speaker really delivers. It's 60 bucks on Amazon. I think it would be good for outdoors, definitely outdoors, whatever you're doing, if you're cooking, if you're cleaning up. It's not gonna fill the room, okay? Well, depends on how small the room is, but it's not gonna just blow you away. But it does really well for the price point and the size. Tribit, you have really nailed it with this speaker. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to support the channel so that I can keep getting my hands on the gear that you want to know about, buy me a coffee, or 2, or 5. Anyway, the link's in the description. It's been real. Peace.